Made the pizza, but the oven got a bit too hot, so I've now turned it down to low, and that's better because it got over 520 at the back. So I'm going to turn it back to full, which is how I cook in the Koda 16. So I'm now going to launch the pizza in. Move my, just check it for wiggle, blow off any excess semolina, and I'm going to put this in. Done. let's give this a try. Kentucky Fried Chicken, just normal Kentucky Fried Chicken, mini fillets that don't have any bones in. I just cut them up. Then I added the Kentucky Fried Chicken sweet chili sauce to the bottom and added a bit more because I've run out of my own sweet chili sauce. So I put some of that on there. Nice little fresh orange tomatoes, and they work really nice. I didn't want any tomato sauce on here. I don't really like tomato sauce when I have my Kentucky Fried Chicken pizza. Very tasty. Take the base. I grated block mozzarella. It was not pre-grated mozzarella. The dough is 60% hydration dough, 24-hour room proof, straight into the freezer. And I defrosted it. Basically defrosted the dough and it was nice and warm, and then I boiled it up about 2 minutes before I stretched it, and then I cooked it. Cooked very nicely, and I think it cooked really fast in the Koda 16. The Koda 16 has been kiddly impressive today. There's no wind and it just warmed up really easily, and if I get it too hot it warms down. As soon as I put it on low, it just warms down really quickly as well. If you don't really want to work with wood fuel, gas is so easy. The dough ball was 244 grams. And the sweet chili sauce is perfect on this. It's not a crispy crust due to the speed of the cook, because it cooked very quickly. It's actually quite nice and bubbly. The sweet chili sauce without any tomato-based sauce on here is absolutely spot on. It just tasted so good. It's got that little kick of heat, that spiciness, and the freshness of those lovely little orange tomatoes, and the melted mozzarella, all infused together with that lovely Kentucky Fried Chicken, which I absolutely love. Very, very nice. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.